Hey gods and goddesses, I am Glam Goddess J, and I am coming back with another hair review. I try to use these reviews in between my hauls because I have to stretch those out because your girl coin is a little bit low and we ain't getting sponsored yet. So with that being said, here I am with a hair review. Hey! Alright, okay, so today's wig, yes, this is a wig. Couldn't you even tell? Like it looks so natural, so pretty. Oh. Anyway, I'm not gonna lie, I forgot all the details, but they're gonna be in the description below, and I'm gonna put them on the video. I have them somewhere, just not in my memory bank right now. But I want to say this is a deep wavy V unit, and I want to say it's 22 inches. It might be 20. It seems a little short, but this is in its natural form, straight out the pack. Okay, I want to show y'all how it looks straight out the pack. I didn't co-wash it. I didn't do anything to it. I put a little bit of mousse up here where my real hair is at. I tried to do it with no leave out. You can do it. That is an option. But I don't know. I wasn't feeling it. I didn't like it. I didn't like how it just, I don't know. It's just the space, the part just looked way too wide. And then there'll be a video of me unboxing it too. So I don't know if you can see, like it's a track right here. Yeah, the V part. You can kind of see the track. My hair is not covering it completely, but that's because I haven't really, really got in there and spruced it up to make it blend in. But when you just have it no leave out, oh, you can see it, baby. And I'm just like, I ain't about that life. I want it to look as natural as possible, so I do have some leave out. My edges are out. I sweated them out, so they are not laid anymore. But just in case you get a gust of wind, you can see some hair. It's not just, I mean, I guess if you swoop it all back, it won't be a big deal either. The hair is really, really soft. A lot of volume. I had to pull it apart. But I feel like when I do co-wash it, it's going to be better. I'm going to get more length from it. Because right now, it's giving me short vibes. I ain't gonna lie. I would love for this to be longer. Like, a little bit more, the curls more tighter. But I just wanted y'all to see it in rare form. This is how it looks. Okay, let's see if I can turn around. I don't know if y'all know me. I actually like really, really long curls, but I'm a beauty on a budget. So this is all my coin could afford at this time. I definitely see me though getting another one of these. Like, I mean, it's so easy, and then it gives you, it's the same ease as putting on a headband wig, but some girls don't like the headband look. I'm a headband girl all day. I mean, but also with this, you can make it a headband. I mean, it's versatile because the headband is, you got to deal with that band in the front. Once you cut it and then customize it, who about to do all that to a headband wig? I will say this though, it has a strap in the back, and I have tightened it, but there is a lot of room back here. This cap is huge, and I'm just like, I got a big head, so I could just imagine you having a tiny little head. Oh baby, you're gonna have to pin it. Yeah, it's just so loose back here. It's so much room. I would prefer that though. I would prefer more room or a big cap than a little cap, because a little cap is, I mean, it's insufferable. Like your head's gonna be tight. You're gonna have a headache. So I'd much rather a big cap than the little one, because you could just pin it. I could just pin this if I really felt some type of way about it. But this is really cute. I really wanna I'm gonna co-wash it, and then I'm gonna show you how it looks wet, and then I'm gonna show y'all yeah, how it looks after it has dried. But I'm gonna co-wash it tonight, and then I'm gonna make another video just showing y'all how it looks when it's been, you know, applied a little bit better. But right now it's really short, but she's still cute. She's still cute, I ain't gonna lie. She's still hit. I do have some shedding, but that's to be expected with this type of curl pattern. Like, you ladies, y'all getting y'all feelings about the shedding. I'm just like, this is what you have to expect from curly hair. Oh, I should show y'all that too, just how much shedding I get once I co-wash this. But I can't wait to see what it's like when I give it some more length and maybe some more, maybe lay it down some more, because I feel like it's kind of out. I want it to be like, but y'all get into this curl pattern real quick. Yeah, she's cute. She's cute. But I think we can make her better. So that's what I'm going to do in the next video. I might just show y'all how it look, because I don't feel like doing my makeup over it. Because I'm going to let her sit out and dry on mannequin head. So I'll probably just make my own like telephone video and insert it. But yeah, this is definitely a slay. She did have a little bit of a smell, like a manufactured smell, like processed. That's what I meant. She had like a processed smell, but that's to be expected because they have to process this curl pattern to make it stay. So, you know, it is what it is. It's not really a big deal to me. So yeah, I'm gonna see how it lays, and then I'm gonna put that at the end of the video. But I'll go ahead and do my outro. So yeah, this wig, this is very, very nice wig from Unice. Is it Unice or Unice? Y'all let me know. Unice or Unice? I want to say it's Unice because that's how it's spelled. But y'all let me know. But this is really cute. I'm gonna be getting some more of these. Probably a body wave one where I can actually curl it to blend with my hair. But I just don't be feeling like doing stuff to my hair. But anyway, I'm glad you guys came to my video. Thank you very, very much. I appreciate it. If you haven't already, please like, share, subscribe. Please also leave a comment. Do you like this wig? Would you rock it? Would you rock it like this? Would you rock it the wet, longer, laid look? How would you rock this wig? If you would at all. Please let me know. Alright, so I'm gonna do my outro, and I'll just leave a video of how the unit looks after it's been co-washed and dried. Again, thank you for watching me on the tube. I appreciate it. Oh, I should say YouTube, because there's some other tubes I could be on that y'all can be watching when you're talking about those tubes on the YouTube. And again, we are here to love. We are not here to hate. I know I switched those phrases around. But if you're a troll, please come from under the bridge and jump off the bridge to your death. Like, just die. Like, we don't need that here. We are all about peace and positivity, body positivity for one, and black girl magic for another. Okay? So, bye guys. Stay tuned for the video. Don't log off now. Watch the video how it looks after I work my magic.
Ladies can back it up, can back it up, can back it up, back it up, can back it up, back it up, can back it up. Ladies can back it up, can back it up, can back it up.